YouTube, what's going on, man? I'm finna just EP4. I'm finna drop EP4. Yeah. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so I did a little work off camera, you know. Look at Piston 1, Robin. Bearing cap. So that's the cap. Look at this beautiful stage 2 cam. Still looking up. Yeah, this is where we at. Yeah, this is false. Like, I don't know if you can kind of see it, but that's the cap actually moving up. You see it? Look at that. That's crazy. Thin it is. It's like a thin little fucking cap. I'm trying to be careful. You see that shit? Look at that. That's crazy. I'm gonna put y'all on the stand, man. I'm gonna get that off. We gonna try to take all the pistons out. Try to number them, and then hopefully maybe drop the crank. We'll see, man. We're gonna try to drop the crank. If anything, we're just gonna drop the pistons for today's video. Let's see if I let's get to it. Where the fuck my mallet at? Oh, dumbass shit. Man, oh man. It ain't looking good, man. It's not looking good. I ain't gonna line these up on this one. Alright, let me get this shit situated so. Boom. Where did this boat come from? So it's 1, 2. Oh man. These ain't too bad, but they're bad. Rod bearings gave out on me, yo. Look at that. Paper thin. Look at the other half right here. Yep. So piston 1 and 2. Rod bearing. Hopefully I can get the crank re-sleeved. Or not re-sleeved, machine. Yeah, I don't know, that's kind of, I'm gonna have to get a new crank. Let's put this back in. But the everything else look decent though, man. It's just that. Get my tools. Find a thing to spin this crank. See if we can spin this crank. Oh, I forgot to put it. Oh, that's where that bolt came from. Okay. Leave it right there. Spin this crank so we can get. That's perfect right there. the steam. Just came out with that one. Let me see where my gently hammer it out. I think they're cranking away, boy. There we go. Stuck on this. No. Alright, we got Here go the bearings of that. Yeah, bearings don't look too bad. Yeah, don't look too bad. 3 looks alright. Let's see what 4 got in store for me. Alright. Don't let me down, 4. My lucky number. Oh. Can't be doing that now. Doing that now. It was starting to get scarred up on 4. Yeah, it was just time for new. This motor had 146K when I put the motor. It ain't bad. I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't taking it easy either, you feel me? I was out here living life. I was out here partying. Make sure I don't drop this one. Even though I ain't using I ain't using these pistons. I'm going forward. Yeah, these bearings don't look too bad, man. Oh, that one look burnt up. I wonder if I'm gonna have to get some rods for 1 and 2. Let's see what. Let's spin this motor. Shit, wrong way. All right, Fob, what you got for us, bud? Let's see what Fob got in stores. Not too bad, not too bad. A little bit of wear, a little bit of wear. Let's get this piston out. I did it again. Fuck. Good thing won't be using these pistons. I don't know. I might go forged pistons. We'll see. See how this treating me. Also, should I record for the 2-stroke build I'm got going on? Yeah. Your boy do it all. Your boy do it all. Alright, 6. Let's see what you got. 6 look kind of decent. Six look kind of decent, no lie. Trying to hurry up so I don't bore y'all. These joints keep getting stuck every time I use this thing. Ugh. So when I get done taking them all out, I'm gonna show you all the rod bearings and how they look. Everything else looked good. It was just piston 1 and 2 just must have got too hot. Last two. Perfect. Let's do this so I don't mix them up. So I don't know which came from where. See what 7 looking like. Let's get this rod. We're just pissing out here. Crazy because the ring's good. Just need cleaning up a bit, but you know. I'm gonna put it like this. For a motor that had DOD active all his life, this motor had DOD active all its like 120,000. So basically all his life. Then when I got it, that's when I did all the cams and shit. So it did pretty good. Did pretty good. That DOD. The DOD though. That's these engines' worst nightmare, man. Alright, let's get this last piston out. I just got it stuck. That's stuck on the crank. I might have to rotate this a little bit. Alright, there we go. Alright, I'm about to show you all the rod bearings. Crank bearings. Let me show y'all. So these are the pistons right here. All good, like all the rings look good. Oh man, I can't believe this though right here. There you go. I think this, yep, this was the issue. These all look normal. these look normal, man. But these right here, sheesh, that shit's crazy. Let me rotate the motor so y'all can see it, all the scratches and stuff. Look how clean the motor is though. Like, I don't know if you guys like can see, but look how like, it ain't no little hone and deck. We be back in action. Like, it ain't really no deep. Just a little bit right there, honing and get that off. And the piston. You can kind of start to see the cross home kind of still. So man, we got the cam out. Cam bearing's gonna be replaced. He's kind of old, you know. Like I said, I was beating on this car since I got it, so I'm gonna have to get the crank out. I'm gonna have to get the flywheel off and the back cover plate. And then once we get the crank out, we can take the block to go get it home. Take the block, get it honed and decked. And then I don't know if I want to use those rods. Really not too sure about the rods, but I know for sure I'm going Forge Wiseco pistons. So I'm gonna go Forge pistons with these rods that hold up 1,000 HP. These rods, yep. Gen 4 rods is the rods you want to go with. They hold 1,000 HP stock. And just look at the block, man. We're getting somewhere. I gotta take the cam chain off, or cam chain tensioner. Get this boy decked and home. Yeah, we one step closer, baby. And that's just gonna be episode 4. With the cam. Cam look good still. Look brand new. Look brand new. I wonder if they still got the BTR on the BTR stage 2, baby. Alright, y'all, stay tuned, man. That's the end of this video, man.